So in today's video, we're gonna discover what's happening with Pepecoin, why the price has been ranging for this long, and mainly why it's been going only downwards. And especially also as we have the whole cryptocurrency market now being boring, ranging for a while. The whole crypto market, as we can see, BTC has been also ranging for a while. Nothing is happening. As well as we just had bullish news as the US debt ceiling has been suspended until the year 2025, which means that the Feds will likely stop raising rates, and this would mean that we would have a bullish 2024, and this could be big news here for Pepecoin, potentially seeing a major pump here. So stay tuned, we're gonna discover this right now. So as for Pepecoin here, if we deep dive into the low time frames here on the 4 hours chart, we can see that Pepecoin has been forming a very interesting pattern as we always trend upwards for a while, then we break the trend, and then we form another one here, and then we did the same here and we broke below again. As you can see here, this seems to be a major pattern now repeatedly going into Pepecoin here. So what's exactly is happening? Is this time gonna be different? Now we are doing the same again here. Is this gonna happen again? Are we gonna see again a dump like we've seen here and here and here? Now this could be again the case. This could potentially play out again, and we could see another dump here on Pepecoin, which will bring us now to this huge support here, and this would be a major buying opportunity here on Pepecoin. As I've been saying on my channel here, I've been updating you guys daily on Pepecoin, keeping you updated. As we've seen, we're waiting for this major support here on Pepecoin. This could pretty much play out, but again the market is tricky, and whenever people get used to one direction only, people have been shorting the highs here on Pepecoin as soon as it pumps, and now we have another smaller high here going into Pepecoin, and whenever people get used to one direction only trading, the market usually reverses. So we could pretty much as well see just something like that and the reverse. And one major indicator would be that the funding rate would start dropping here on Pepecoin, would start becoming negative on Pepecoin. This would usually means that a lot of shorts are piling up onto this high, and this would create some sort of a short squeeze, which would fuel the pump here, and we would potentially need to take this high here if we want a continuation here on Pepecoin. So don't forget, I'll keep you always updated. For this potential scenario to play out, we want the funding rate here to go negative, but so far this is not happening. The funding rate is still neutral here on Pepecoin, and this could potentially be the first weekend where Pepecoin could break the support here and potentially go towards this support. So now I'm keeping you updated here guys on the Pepecoin price, either it is going up or down. Better be honest with you here. What I'm seeing on the charts, we can see here this repeated pattern where we trend a bit for a while. We have lower highs and lower highs, people shorting the highs. This is the most probable outcome here, as we could see Pepecoin breaking again below this trend and going towards the zone here around the 10 and the 11th area on Pepecoin. And for those that bought the highs here on Pepecoin, you are not alone here. Now if we look at big whales here who hold Pepecoin, you have the major holder here of Pepecoin is Binance, with around 20% of the total supply on Pepecoin here is held by Binance, and Binance as well has a second wallet with interesting behavior. As we can see here, this wallet holding here went from 1% and now going toward 3%. Binance is still buying Pepecoin. Binance is holding Pepecoins here on different accounts, on different wallets. Now as soon as we get a bull market, Pepecoin is one of the major meme coins here that is held by major exchanges that could see a major rally, and I stay bullish on Pepecoin for the long term. Now remember, nothing is financial advice, this is my opinion. As for BTC now, if we go to the weekly charts, we can see that the whole space now is waiting for one thing, and one thing only, is that if BTC would hold the 21-week EMA. And if we take a look at it here and if we zoom in, we can see that now we're still holding this 21-week EMA, and we can see that the last time we held this 21-week EMA, we had a major bull market. You can see that we held it here, and then we held it around this area here. As soon as we got above it and we held it, we had a major rally and we had a bull market in the whole crypto space. Now so far people are still waiting for it to hold, as we had here in 2019 when we had that rally here. BTC couldn't hold, and we could pretty much see the same thing that happened here going into BTC right now here. Is it going to hold the 21-week EMA or not? We could see something like that happening, and so far the 21-week EMA now is standing around 25,700. Now the whole space is now on hold waiting for that to happen. We have a week or two going into this. If this holds, now we could see major pumps going into the whole crypto space, including Pepecoin. This would send the whole crypto space into a major bull market, and we could see major pumps and potentially taking out this high on Pepecoin and seeing further price increases here on Pepecoin. Now remember guys to subscribe. I'm updating you daily on what's going on the crypto space. Now if you are interested in learning a simple trading strategy you can apply to make some money day trading in the crypto space, you can watch this video here. Cheers.